All right, with Mike Hopko from Firefighter University. He's a really good instructor out in New Jersey, all right? And Danny Taylor from Engine 332 from my old firehouse, okay? What they're gonna do is they're gonna go bevel to door, all right? They're gonna drive it in, they're gonna go to the door. Then they're gonna come back and put some, well, you'll see. I'll show you what we're gonna do, okay, Dan? Mike, you call it.
Yep. You ready?
Yep.
Hit. 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 Drive. Stop.
Okay, now, what he's going to do, actually draw back, what he's got here, Danny's got two options. Danny can throw the head of the axe in like this, or he could throw the handle in like this. If Mike drew back, that means he wants more leverage. He's going to go to the door again without even pulling the tool out of his spot, okay? So Danny, why don't you try this, Danny? Come in here, let's go head. Go up the head with the open hand on top. You don't want it behind, because when Mike applies pressure, it'll crush the fingers. Open hand on top, and we're gonna come down here. What we're doing is we're gonna show you the right way. Bevel the door, you can lock in, all right? Then we're gonna show you, we're gonna force it again next time with bevel to jam, and we're gonna do this, and the tool's pretty much gonna slide out. That's what we're showing you. The training tip here is, you go bevel to door when you need leverage behind, okay? You can even put a chock behind here and go to the door, okay? Your regular wooden chock you can put here, all right? But Danny's gonna do this, open hand, Danny. Stay under the tool, drop it in, push it in against the tool. That's it, hold it right there.
Ready?
Let it
Duck
bite.
down. Duck down.
Duck down, Dan. Let it bite. Good, excellent. You see how the tool, because the fork was the way it is, it locked on the back of the jam and was able to get it. Okay, you can finish it off, just use your ads. Beautiful. Okay. Now we're gonna do it again. We're gonna do it this time, bevel to jam. And we're gonna do the same method to show you that the tool's gonna ride out. It's not gonna work, okay? Okay, now this time, Mike Hopko is gonna go bevel to jam, okay? And when he sends it in, it's gonna go in a lot less hits. He goes to the door, he gets, because it's bevel to jam, he's gonna get less push off the door, but then when he draws back, we're gonna show you why you're not supposed to bevel the jam, put anything behind to get more resistance, because it's gonna roll the tool out, all right? When you do that, you gotta have bevel the door to put anything behind, a chock or the head of the axe or the handle on the axe, okay? So, let's show him, Mike.
You ready?
Yep.
Hit. Hit.
That's just a ceiling fall. That's a ceiling fall of Danny.
Hit. Drive. Stop.
Now watch. Because he's beveling jam and he's putting this in, watch what happens to the fork of the Halligan. Go ahead. Rolls right out. You cannot do it that way. You gotta have bevel. But watch what he'll do now. Say he made that mistake. Say that happened in the real world. His tool's out. They'll go back in, Danny will hold his purchase, and he'll reverse the fork. He'll go now bevel the door. Now push to the door, Mike. He got that, he didn't go, the door's back. Now Danny went before, he went with the handle. We'll show you now, we'll go with the, he went with the axe head before. Now we'll show you, you can also go with the axe handle. Plus, this is a good move, the axe handle. If there's fire right on the other side of the door, I really don't want to be here because this method usually pops the door and I'm right in a bad spot. If there's no wall here, if I can go and grab it from this side, I'm even better off. I'm protected. I'm protected by the wall. All right? Okay. I go to the door. Okay. Now, you see how the Halligan fork did not come out of the door? All right, now Mike's going to draw back and he's going to put the ads in and finish the door off. Okay, and if we had to in the real world, Mike could put that on there, whatever it is, and we could drive it right off. All right? Just a couple of hits. It looks like it's going to hit. That's it. Okay, good. All right, just another tip, just to tell you, basically this whole tip was about If you're gonna put something behind the fork for more leverage, you can't have bevel of the tool to the jam. It's gonna slide out on it, okay? Hopefully it helps you.